Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's video is going to be less of a review, more of just giving you some information, and that's mainly because I've already reviewed this flashlight, the Wuben G5. You might want to go check out that review, but very small, compact light full of all sorts of features, and it came in at an incredible price. I think that's why it sold out really quick whenever they first released this thing. Well, they're telling me now they've got plenty of these in stock. They're going to offer a 20% off discount, and then there's also possibly a stacker discount using a discount code that they're going to provide me with. I don't know what that is yet. If I find out what that is, I will put that in the description. So make sure and go check that out. But outside of that sale, they also are offering this right here for their 9th anniversary. It is a Wuben G5 limited edition in white. So it's got all the same features of that G5 right there, except for it's in this limited edition white version with their 9th anniversary there. They're only going to have 1,000 of these. Same exact features, so you can turn on the white light, go up to 400 lumens on that, or you can also press and hold and get to that RGB light and basically scroll and change the colors. Has that same pivoting head to get that light wherever you want it. Also has that adjustable belt clip, so you can put that on any position that you want to, or pocket clip, more so than a belt clip, I guess, and still has that magnetic plate there on the bottom as well. So again, all the same features. If you want to check out those more in detail, go watch my G5 video, but I'm just letting you know they've got these in stock at a discount, and also this limited edition version now available. So if any of those are a good fit for you, you might want to go down in the description and check out those links. But as always, I hope this video was helpful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.